Hi friends, welcome back for another video. Today I have an unboxing. As you can tell, Moterm. I bought two different Moterms. Both are Moterm A7 Luxe, and I got them on AliExpress. I was not expecting this package to arrive so soon, although I was stalking AliExpress. Anyways, let me open this up and show you. Alright, so let's open up the first one. I love the box, by the way. They look super fancy in a box like this, and they bring a dust bag. So the first color that I bought was this one. I'm gonna put it on the screen because let me see. Let me read this. Yes, this one is the taupe croc, and this is the fly leaf. I've been watching so many YouTube videos. I already know the correct names for everything. I absolutely love this color. It looks super pretty. And here she is. You guys, this is the one that I saw by myself. It brings two snap closures, so if you get it nice and bulky, you have enough space. And you have the big rings. I do not know what size rings these are, but I think they're 30 millimeter. I'm not sure. I got these because they have the pockets on the side right here, and I can decorate it however I like. And I also have tons of space here, and I love this. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty, you guys. I love. And of course, it comes with the paper that Moterm always sends, if you're familiar with it. So this is the first one. Alright, and my second one is this one, you guys. I am excited. I have not opened this by myself at all, but I got the black croc. I wanted to use this one for Christmas time because, oh my god, I don't know, I feel like it's gonna go really nicely with like a nice setup for Christmas. Oh my god, you guys, it is so much nicer in camera. What? I love. Again, it is the same as the other one, but black. I love the pocket in the back, and I love that it has different pockets here that I can decorate, which I really like. I like my current Moterm, but it does not bring this. It only brings the zipper here on the left side. It does bring a pen loop, both of them, and the fly leaf brings a pen loop, which I really like. Again, I got them on AliExpress. It took about 15 days to arrive, which is not bad at all, you guys. I am very happy and excited. I cannot wait to set these babies up. I have to figure out which one I will be using right now because I don't know. Oh, I'm so excited. Anyways, thank you all for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. See you all soon on my next video. Bye guys.